In this video I would like to talk with a structured breakdown of the slab casting procedure. 1. Preparation, site clearance and leveling, marking slab dimensions, ensuring proper formwork setup. 2. Formwork and support, installation of shuttering plywood, steel, proper alignment and leveling, applying release agents. 3. Reinforcement work, placement of steel reinforcement as per design, tying of bars with binding wire, providing adequate cover blocks. 4. Embedment and utilities, installation of electrical and plumbing conduits, fixing inserts and sleeves for services. 5. Concrete pouring, checking mix design and workability, pouring concrete in layers, using vibrators to remove air voids. 6. Finishing, leveling and smoothing surface, providing necessary slopes, applying curing compounds if required. 7. Curing and deshuttering, water curing for 7 to 14 days, removing formwork after required strength gain, checking slab for cracks or defects.